Good morning and happy Thursday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and for this week's teen program, we are going to make dragon eggs. So if you haven't already, stop by Columbus or Saluda Library to pick up your free Take and Make kit, and everything you need is in that kit for this week. So we only have 3 supplies we're going to use. You have a little pack of clay. Those are all different colors, so just depending on what pack you got. You have 2 sheets of foil. And then you have a little container with different jewels and beads in it. So this week's craft is pretty simple, but it's really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I did want to make a quick announcement before we got started. Next week, we have a special in-person program, so that will be at Columbus Library on Thursday, August 19th at 3 p.m., and it is Intro to Entomology with EcoExplore. So it is about the study of insects. You will learn about insects, see some insects, so if you are interested in that, I hope you can join us next week. But we will go ahead and get started. So you're going to start with your foil. And this is going to be the base of our dragon egg. So that's just so we don't have to use so much clay. We're just going to put the clay around the outside, and we're going to form the inside base with the foil. So we are going to kind of crumble it into a ball. And of course, this is supposed to be an egg, so we want it to be kind of egg-shaped. You guys might be better than I am about shaping your foil, but an egg is a little smaller on the top, a little wider on the bottom, and kind of an oval shaped. So you will shape your egg, and then you're going to open up your clay, and you're going to put the clay, I might need scissors for this, which I do not have, so it opened pretty easily. I'm going to open up the clay. Like I said, there's all different colors. And you're going to shape the clay around the egg. So you can probably do this a few different ways. I'm going to kind of spread my clay out a little. Try to make it evenly wrapped around the egg. Not sure if it's going to work, but all right. So you're going to form the outside of your dragon egg with the clay by wrapping it around the foil. Just make sure all of the foil is covered up. We don't want to see any of the foil. And it might take a few minutes to kind of form it exactly as you like. If there are any spots, you can always grab some extra clay from one side, move it over to another side. Just take a few minutes to kind of perfectly form your egg. And this is kind of thin cloud-like clay. It's really fun to play with. And you can use your fingertips to smooth over any parts. All right. So if you want it to be less lumpy, you could take a little more time, but since we're on video, I am happy with the way my egg looks, and I doubt that dragon eggs are perfectly formed anyway. Everything needs to be a little bit imperfect, in my opinion. All right, now the fun part is putting all of your jewels and beads onto it for the finishing touches. So we have shiny beads of different shapes. We have squares, we have hearts, and you can do it in any design you like. I'm just kind of randomly putting it around. We have oval-shaped jewels. We have, what's that shape is called something. I know it's, if it was a diamond, it would be called something, but it looks kind of like an eyeball shape to me. I think there's a more proper term for it though. There's some stars. So you're just going to press those gently into your clay all around the egg to decorate it. And then there's also some really tiny beads, and those are just going to be more decorations for your eggs. So take those and press them into the clay. Kind of around where your jewels are. Uh-oh, losing one. And you probably want to kind of distribute them evenly, but this is your egg. You can really do whatever you like. Make sure you do press them in pretty firmly or else they will fall out. And then this clay is going to dry, and that will set your jewels and beads so that they will stay nice in the clay. And there you have your dragon egg. Hope you guys have fun.